Well, it's really compact, actually. And, yeah, the whole thing fit into that slimline box is unbelievable. Because actually, it's quite a big, you know, a big piece. I mean, no, you know, it's light to carry. Yeah, they've really packaged it down, actually. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, absolutely perfect. All the attachments, which I use anyway. I've got one already set up because I've had them before. This is a new one. This is great because this is what you use for the pet hair. And as you can see, I have Persians and fluffy dogs, so that's going to make a massive difference. Oh, and the big vacuum cleaner. I don't tend to use that. Obviously, it's quite handy. I might use that first of all. But in saying that, I tend to use the pet one more than anything. Just simply because, you know, I have Persians. And, yeah. And they're very fluffy and produce a lot of hair. And you will see a lot of hair now because if I just go a couple of days without vacuuming, you'll see the difference. Also, the other thing as well, what I like about these are the HEPA because I'm asthmatic and they're very good for, you know, picking up like the smallest allergy or anything. So, you know, they pick up tiny, minute things, these towel hoovers. They're absolutely brilliant. So I will show you it compiled together and then I will vacuum and show you what it will pick up. And unfortunately, you'll probably be horrified because there will be a lot of fluff. You can't see it so much in this carpet, but when you pick it up, you'll be quite shocked. It's very very efficient. Yeah.